Hello everyone and welcome to ProPronounce. Today we're discussing the word dean, how it's pronounced in both American and British English, and a bit about its meaning and usage. In American English, the word dean is pronounced as D-N. It has a clear, long E sound and is pronounced with a flat, neutral tone. In British English, the pronunciation is almost the same. /DN/DN, however, the accent or intonation might slightly differ depending on the speaker's regional accent. Academic role. The most common usage of dean refers to the head of a faculty or department at a university or college. For example, she is the dean of the science department. Religious role. In some Christian denominations, dean refers to a clergy member who oversees a cathedral or a group of parishes. General use. Historically, it can also mean a leader or someone in a position of authority. The word dean has its roots in the Latin word decanus, meaning leader of 10. Over time, it evolved into the Middle English word we use today. Here are a few examples to understand its usage. The dean gave an inspiring speech at the graduation ceremony. He was appointed as the dean of the cathedral. That's all for today's word. Now you know how to pronounce dean in both American and British English, its meaning, and a little history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more pronunciation tips. See you in the next video.